So here we have a function that's 6 different countifs that counts the number of sales in each state and adds them up together to get the total regional sales in the South. But what if you want to get this function and break it apart so that way we can see each countif separately for each state? The easiest way to do this is to kind of think of the formula as text and break it apart using the text split function. So to show what I mean by that, first we can use the FORMULATEXT function to get the function into a text format. FORMULATEXT open parentheses, and the only argument to this function is the formula that you want to see the text of itself. So now, as you can see, we have this function in a very long text. But now we want to split this apart into each of its different functions. And to do this, we can do text split. So as you can see, each function is separated by a plus. It's getting the count of Arizona plus the count of Texas plus the count of Mississippi and so on and so forth. So we can split this part using text as a delimiter using the text split function. So you can do text split. What text you want to split? You want to split this text right here, and you want to split it based on the plus. Close parentheses. And as you can see, now each piece is split by the plus sign, and this is easier to see if we transpose this. So we can nest all this in a transpose function. And as you can see, now we have each countif that's broken apart. And we can get this and copy paste this as values. And to add an equal sign before each one. Now, I only have 5 of these, so I can just manually add an equal sign like so. But you can also consider using a concat function, or maybe like a find replace a plus with the equal sign of some sort to do this piece easier. But because I only have 6 of them, I'm just going to add the manual sign, the equal sign manually in the front of each function. But as you can see, now I have the countifs split apart into its different components, which can save you a ton of time if you have a very long function or a bunch of them that you're trying to split apart to see the different pieces. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a fantastic day.